If the handle or button on your toilet is broken, you'll need to book a repair with us, but here are some steps for a temporary solution. For broken toilet handles, first you'll need to remove the lid. Most ceramic lids will simply lift off, but they are quite heavy, so take care and put it somewhere safe. Some plastic cisterns will have a screw in the middle of the lid. This will need to be removed with a screwdriver or something with a flat end to get the lid off. Once you've removed the lid, you should be able to see the handle mechanism inside, which is connected to a bent metal link. If you pull this link upwards, you'll be able to flush the toilet. This should work as a temporary solution until we can fix it for you. For broken toilet buttons, you sometimes need to prise the buttons out of their holder to remove the lid. You can use a screwdriver or something with a flat end to do this. Once you've removed the button, you should be able to see a plastic screw in the middle. This will need to be unscrewed before the lid can be lifted off. In some cases, there's no screw in the cistern, so you'll need to try turning anti-clockwise to remove it instead. Once the lid has been removed, you should be able to see the siphon in the middle. Try pushing the top of the siphon down. This should make the cistern flush. Again, please use this method as a temporary measure until we've come to repair the problem.